What's up guys, Aaron's here. We have Amfilms screen protectors for the iPhones, the newest ones. They also come out for the iPhone 12. I'm going to show it real quick how to do it on an iPhone 12. This is made by Techmatte. It's again, great product, great screen protector. If you never had these before, I've used these on like pretty much my iPhone since iPhone 11. They reached out to me, want to do a little video, show how easy it is and show how great of a product it is. So I'm pretty much going to do this blindfolded. I got my beautiful wife here going to do a little Vanna White. She's going to put it over my head, eye, so I can't see. And then we're just going to go ahead and apply this with two screens. Let's do it. All right. So hopefully it comes across good. My wife doesn't suffocate me because as you can tell, it's in my mouth. You lift it up just a little bit because I can't. Okay, there we go. So go ahead and try to punch me. I can't see anything, I promise you. All right, so we got the iPhone here. I'm gonna make sure I got it lined up here. Okay, this looks good, right? We're lined up. So I'm gonna pull the screen off here, and then we'll find the top of the phone here. And we're gonna make sure we line this up. Okay, I think we're on. Should be on. Okay, and then I'm gonna press it down. I'm gonna press it down a couple times. Now again, air bubbles do go away. They pretty much guarantee their product. So if you do happen to get any air bubbles that don't go away after like 24 hours, then they'll ship you out a replacement. All right, so we're gonna lift this up now and see what we got. So again, we see the big air bubbles, just press them out. They go away again. But you see it applied perfectly, it lined up perfectly. Did that blindfolded. I got a little video of me doing it, actually looking at it so you can see how well it turned out. All right, so again, that's pretty much applying Techmatte's Amfilms super easy applicator. I'll drop a link. There's a coupon code, save you some money if you're looking to get one of these. Again, great product. Got it on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and then my wife's also, and then we just put it on an iPhone 12. So bam, there we go. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like the content. Leave a comment. Let me know if you've been able to check it out. And till next time, see you again.